I'm going to give you some homework for your posture, because posture and good posture impacts on our whole life. Most of us are spending much more time now at the computer. We might be standing a lot, sitting a lot, and what that tends to do is make your whole body collapse. So the shoulders round, your spine starts to curve. So first of all, start thinking and becoming aware of how you sit, you stand, you walk. Maybe put little post-it notes around your house. And then just start lifting. The lift actually starts in your core area here. And then think of pulling up, opening the shoulders. When you walk into a room and you slouch and your shoulders are rounded, immediately you look lacking in confidence. So whether you are or you're not, that's how you look. If you lengthen your neck and open your shoulders and stride into a room, people are naturally going to be more drawn to you, more interested in you because you look confident. Well, see how it goes and let me know.